Hello and welcome to Habano News. It's my first video of the year, so I wish you a happy new year 2025. A lot of things are happening in the Cuban cigar world, so I'm going to start again the videos. As you know, in 4 weeks' time, 24th February 2025, the Festival del Habano is starting. So as usual, I made the video telling you about the prices and the program. And as usual, I booked the full program with Bakar Mohabi, the distributor for the United Arab Emirates. And today, I got a message from them saying that they got the confirmation of the tickets, but we could not get the full package. So the issue was there is no midweek party because it's a city dinner like last year with the Kerose night. Wonderful. So they couldn't get a confirmation for me. And on during the whole week, I cannot get access to the seminar, which means that going there, I will only have the Monday night, the Tuesday trip to the plantations, which I've gone to for probably 5 or 6 times in my life, and the factory visit on the Thursday, I guess, and the gala dinner on the Friday night. But cannot go to Habanos World Challenge. I cannot go and see the new cigars. I cannot go and attend all the different seminars. So for me, there is no point. No point in going. It's a $10,000 trip, at least without the local expenses. And if I cannot go inside the seminar, what am I going to do on Monday? What am I going to do on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday? I'm only invited basically to the 2 nights, Monday and Friday. What do I do? Where do I go? I cannot just sit in my hotel room or in my house. So I feel very bad because I feel bad to the people who are renting the Casa Particular and to the friends that are I was supposed to meet, obviously, because it's every year we meet, we spend time together, have a great time. But this year, what can I do? I can only attend 2 evenings. Not enough for me. And I guess it's going to be the case of a few people. So if you can access the website, maybe there will be some places, seats, tickets available. I try to go on online, but the website is not working. habanos.com/en is not working, so it's very strange. I don't know why. I can't get to the website. So this is the situation. I feel bad. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you managed to secure your tickets. This year, unfortunately, it seems that I won't be able to attend. I'm going to smoke a Ramanayana specially selected 2014. At least I have some cigars to smoke. It's a sad, disappointing day. It's the first time ever in my life I cannot attend the Festival del Habano. So yes, it's. I mean, there are worse things in life, to be sick, having a family, losing someone in the family or friends, and there are worse things. But it's disappointing. Every year, I've always been looking forward to this event. So, take care of yourself. Goodbye.